Welcome to English Smart Tips. In today's lesson, we will learn a simple but powerful trick to improve your English listening in just 3 minutes. This technique is easy for beginners and effective for daily practice. The secret is to think in English. Avoid translating from your native language. Start with very simple sentences like, I am eating breakfast or she is reading a book. Repeat these sentences in your mind and listen carefully to each word. Visualizing the action helps your brain connect the words with meaning. For example, imagine someone drinking coffee when you repeat, he is drinking coffee. This makes listening and comprehension faster. Another helpful technique is listen and repeat aloud. Say the sentences out loud to practice pronunciation and internalize the structure. For instance, they are playing football or I am reading a book. Short daily practice builds listening skills naturally. Try repeating 3 to 5 sentences every day. Your brain will start thinking in English and comprehension will improve without translating. Let's practice together. Listen and repeat. She is walking in the park. He is writing a letter. I am reading a book. Visualize each action in your mind while repeating. Remember, slow and steady practice is better than rushing. If you enjoyed this tip, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon for daily 3-minute English listening tips. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and your English will improve every day.